Hi guys, this is Mr.Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. I'm going to use cross products to solve these questions. Question 1. If 5 over x is equal to 15 over x plus 20, what is the value of x over 5? So, first of all, I will multiply 5 by x plus 20 and 15 by x, 15x. Okay, so 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 20 is equal to 100, which will be equal to 15x. We subtract 5x from both sides. So I'll just have 100 on the left hand side, 10x on the right hand side. We divide both sides by 10, and x is going to be equal to 10. So the main question is x over 5. So what we can do, we divide the x, which is 10, by 5. 10 over 5 is going to be equal to 2. The correct answer choice is going to be answer choice C. Next question, question 2. If a minus b over b is equal to 3 over 7, which of the following must be also true? Okay, we use the same way. So 7 times a, 7a, 7 times b, 7b, 7a minus 7b is equal to 3b. Okay, so I will transfer the negative 7b to the right hand side, and it'll be positive 7b. 7b plus 3b is equal to 7a. 7a is equal to 10b. So what I'm going to do, I will guys change the sides of these two numbers. 7 goes to the other side, and 10 goes to the another side. So it is multiplication, guys. Inverse of multiplication is division. So what it means, once you guys change to your side, you have to guys reciprocate them, which means this. It'll be like, by the way, I will change the sides of b, not the 10. Not the 10. So I will just reciprocate them. What it means, so 7 goes to the other side, and it becomes, guys, 1 over 7. 10 times 1 over 7, and b goes to the other side, and it becomes 1 over b. A times 1 over b. So a times b, 1 is equal to a. A over b is going to be equal to 10 times 1 is 10, 10 over 7. So a over b is going to be equal to 10 over 7, which is b. Next question, question 3. Question 3. We use the same way again, like x squared minus 1 is equal to negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1, positive 2. I will combine all the terms on the left hand side. So x squared minus 1, negative 2x becomes on the other side positive 2x. 2 becomes negative 2, which will be equal to 0. Then, okay, so I will write it in the standard form. X squared, we have like positive 2x. Negative 1 minus 2 makes negative 3, which will be equal to 0. Okay, now I can factorize it. Factors of negative 3 add up to 2. Those numbers are going to be negative 1 and positive 3. So x minus 1 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. Solutions are going to be, possible solutions are going to be x is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative 3. But we have to try them. So our denominator is x minus 1. So if the denominator x minus 1, x is equal to 1 cannot be a solution, because x is equal to 1 makes this denominator 0. And when the denominator is 0, guys, it'll be undefined. This fraction is going to be undefined. So I will eliminate x is equal to 1. There will be only one solution, which is x is equal to negative 3. Answer choice A is the correct answer. Next question, question 4. Okay, so now 8 over x is equal to 160, and I need to find out the value of x. The easiest way, guys, to find the value of x, we just switch the sides, the place of these two numbers, like x and 160. So 8 over 160 is going to be equal to x, and we simplify it. Both numbers are divisible by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 160 divided by 8 is 20. And I just want to write it in the decimal form by multiplying both numbers by 5, first of all. So 1 times 5, 5. 20 times 5 is equal to 100. 5 over 100 in the decimal form, 0.05, which is D. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.